Hello, future heroes, and welcome to your first mission. Today, we're diving into Unit 1, your official starting point for becoming a health and kindness hero while mastering some awesome English skills. This unit is all about unlocking your superpowers, the 5 senses. So, what are these superpowers? They're your built-in tools for exploring the world: sight, hearing, smell, taste, and touch. Think about it. You use your eyes to see incredible things, like a beautiful, colorful butterfly fluttering by. You use your ears to hear the sweet sound of birds singing in the morning. Your nose is a safety detector, helping you smell fragrant flowers, but also warning you of danger, like the smell of smoke. And of course, you use your tongue to taste delicious food and your hands to feel the difference between a soft blanket and a hard rock. These 5 senses work together to help you understand and interact with everything around you. They're what make life so vibrant and full of experiences. But having superpowers isn't just about experiencing the world. It's also about taking care of the machine that holds them, your body. That's where you step up to become a health hero. In this unit, we'll meet Sarah, a 10-year-old girl with a fantastic daily routine that keeps her full of energy and ready for anything. So, what's her secret? It's all about healthy habits. First, Sarah wakes up early at 6 a.m., ready to seize the day. Next, she fuels her body with a nutritious breakfast, like eggs, brown bread, and a glass of orange juice. Throughout her school day, she remembers to drink plenty of water to stay hydrated. Then, she makes sure to eat lots of fruits and vegetables to get all the essential vitamins her body needs to stay strong. Finally, after a long day of learning and playing, she goes to bed early at 8:30 p.m. Why is this so important? Because sleeping for a full 9 hours gives her body time to rest and repair. The big lesson here is that getting enough sleep isn't just about not feeling tired. It helps your body stay healthy, your immune system strong, and your mind sharp and focused. When you take care of your body, you're giving your superpowers the best possible support system. Now, let's talk about the English tools you'll gain. To describe these amazing daily routines, we'll use a super simple and powerful grammar tense, the present simple affirmative. It's perfect for talking about habits and things you do every day. The rule is easy. When you use pronouns like I, you, we, or they, the verb stays in its original form. For example, we play sports after school. Simple, right? But if you're talking about a single person, like he, she, or it, you just add an es or os to the verb. For instance, he brushes his teeth every day, or she takes vitamins every morning. See? That little s makes all the difference. We'll also learn to use sequence words like first, next, then, after that, and finally. These words are like signposts that help you organize your sentences and tell a clear story about your own healthy routine. Speaking of stories, this unit has a fantastic one that teaches a valuable lesson about kindness and clever thinking. It's the story of Goha's great meal. The story begins with Goha, who is very, very hungry but has no money to buy food. He sits outside a restaurant, simply enjoying the wonderful, delicious smell of the soup cooking inside. Suddenly, the greedy restaurant owner comes out and creates a conflict. He demands that Goha pay him for smelling the soup. Can you believe it? How can you pay for a smell? But Goha is not just hungry, he's also very clever. He reaches into his pocket, takes out his few coins, and shakes them, making a loud jingling sound. He then looks at the owner and says, "If you want money for the smell of your soup, then you can have the sound of my coins." The owner is so surprised by Goha's witty response that he bursts out laughing. He realizes how clever Goha is and, more importantly, how silly his own demand was. Moved by Goha's cleverness and recognizing his hunger, the owner invites him inside to share the soup. He learns a beautiful lesson that day. Good food tastes better when shared with others. This story isn't just entertaining, it reminds us that kindness, sharing, and quick thinking are true superpowers. And that's not all, we'll also sharpen our pronunciation skills. You'll learn to distinguish between short vowel sounds, like the E in pen, and long vowel sounds, like the E in feed. Mastering these sounds will make your English pronunciation much clearer and more confident. So, by the end of Unit 1, you won't just be able to talk about your senses and describe your healthy daily routine. You'll be a health and kindness hero, equipped with the language skills and the values to make the world a better place, one kind act and one healthy habit at a time. You'll be ready to tell your own stories, share with others, and use your newfound English superpowers with confidence. Thank you so much for joining this journey. If you're excited to unlock your superpowers and become a hero, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next adventure. See you in the next video.